Hello and welcome friends on another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today it's a triple bonanza guys, and we are going to learn three tenses in a row, and the last three tenses I would say. So don't skip the video ever, and also please subscribe our channel so that I get supported and you don't miss any important update ever. So here we have the first tense out of three tenses that we are going to learn today. Seventh tense, perfect present tense. So in total we are going to learn 8 tenses, though I am numbering them as the last tense number is ninth number, but tense number 6 and last three 10, 11, 12 tenses have not been included in passive, so we are going to learn only 8 tenses. So here we have the seventh tense, perfect present tense. Positive formula of it is object plus have has plus been plus verb 3, and in negative it is object plus have has plus not plus been plus verb 3, and as we all know verb 3 means past participle form of the verb. And those who want to refer to the active tenses again, they can start learning from the lecture number 12 in our playlist, so that they can have a better understanding of both active and passive, and particularly the formation, the formulas. So I'm moving ahead to the next screen for practice session. So here we have two practice sentences. Because we are learning three tenses in today's tense, I'm not going to cover many practice sentences, but you need to take the honors and you can practice n number of more and more sentences. The first sentence is on your screen at the moment. We have been taught good English. So we are object over here, because the activity of teaching is being performed on us. So we have been taught, and it is perfect present tense, and that's why have has, the to be's form of have has been used, and verb 3, that is the past participle form of teach, and we pronounce it as taught. So we have been taught, and good English is the second object in this sentence, and second object in passive sentences is always followed by the past participle form of the verb. We have not been taught maths here, so we can club positive and negative sentences to make our communication, to make our speech effective and as natural as any other language in the world. So let's move ahead to the next practice sentence. Leo English Hub channel has been subscribed. So here Leo English Hub channel is an object, and it has been subscribed. Subscribe is a verb over here, and because Leo English Hub channel is a third person singular, has is used over here. Leo English Hub channel has not been forgotten. So it has not been forgotten, it has been subscribed. So that is it for perfect present tense practice sentences, and I am taking you to the next screen for next tense of perfect past tense. So here we have the positive and negative formula of perfect past tense. The positive is object plus had plus been plus verb 3, and negative is object plus had plus not plus been plus verb 3, and verb 3 means the past participle form of the verb. So let's move ahead to the practice sentences of perfect past tense. And guys, if I'm moving ahead quickly, you can pause the lecture and write down the things. You can note them down and make effective notes so that you can make many more sentences like this. The first practice sentence of perfect past tense is the tenses had been taught first of all. So what was taught first of all? The tenses had been, because this is perfect past tense according to the formula, object plus had plus been plus verb 3, and then the rest of the extra words. The tenses had not been taught lately. Second sentence, examples had been given while explaining tenses. Excuses had not been given while explaining tenses. So sometimes it happens that some people would tell you that okay, this is how it is there only, and there is no particular reason or something, but that is not the case in our on our channel, because we try to explain all the things and don't give any excuse. Examples had been given while explaining tenses. Excuses had not been given while explaining tenses. So two sentences, practice sentences of perfect past tense. Now I'm moving ahead to the next screen for perfect future tense. Positive formula: object plus will plus have plus been plus verb 3. Negative: object plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb 3. And verb 3 stands for past participle form of the verb. So let's look at the practice sentences of perfect future tense. The first sentence: good English will have been spoken everywhere now. Poor English will not have been spoken now onwards. So that is the resolution that we can adopt, that good English will have been spoken everywhere now, because we have all the knowledge, all the nitty gritty we have gone through. People, poor English will not have been spoken now onwards, from the point time starting from today or right now. Second sentence: friends will have been told to learn good English here on Leo English Hub channel. Friends will not have been told to waste time. So these are the positive negative sentences, and we must try and learn negative sentences as well, because they are also of great importance, because many times we have to communicate in negative sentences as well in any structure of the grammar. So I hope guys you would like today's lecture, and so that don't forget to like our lecture and also subscribe our channel and share it to your friends and family, so that they can have proper understanding of English skills, particularly grammar. And we will see you in the next lectures with more fruitful information in it. Thank you very much guys for joining us today. Thank you.